Former ISTE board member Kara Gunn notes that coaches have a unique position in schools and that they are often required to bridge the gap between administrators and practitioners. It is not uncommon for technology coaches to interact with division leaders who set the global vision of effective technology integration and bridge that work with building level leaders who must refine that vision to the unique needs and goals of teachers, students, and families associated with their school. Technology coaches are also on the ground, so to speak, in terms of helping teachers and students take steps and use resources that do indeed meet the school's and division's vision for technology integration. Review the 3 objectives for this module. As you progress through this module, you will collect evidence and create a product that explains your role as a change agent in Fairfax County Public Schools. You will describe how coaches do or can support transformative change through contributions to strategic planning at the classroom, school, or division level. You should decide what kind of product best relates to your role and how you practice shared vision, equitable access, and change management. You may choose to craft a position paper or share entries from a reflective journal or document your practice with images or video. Or you may combine multiple elements or create several products. The only requirement is that your ultimate product be digital and that you share it